delicious homemade Arabian fish biryani, affordable and beginner-friendly recipe. Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have a treat for you, a mouth-watering recipe that will transport you straight to the aromatic streets of Arabia. We're going to learn how to make homemade Arabian fish biryani, and the best part, it's affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's dive into the world of flavors together. Let's start by gathering the ingredients for our Arabian fish biryani. You'll need the following. 1. Basmati rice, 2 cups. 2. Fish fillets. Use your favorite white fish, 500 grams. 3. Cooking oil, 1/4 cup. 4. Onion, thinly sliced, 2 large. 5. Tomatoes, chopped, 2 medium-sized. 6. Green chilies, slit, 2. 7. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 8. Biryani masala, 2 tablespoons. 9. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. 10. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. 11. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. 12. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped, a handful. 13. Fresh mint leaves, chopped, a handful. 14. Yogurt, ½ cup. 15. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons. 16. Salt, to taste. 17. Water, 4 cups. Preparation, rice. To begin, let's prep our rice. Rinse 2 cups of basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice for 30 minutes to ensure it cooks evenly. Meanwhile, let's move on to marinating our fish. Preparation, fish marination. Take 500 grams of your favorite white fish fillets. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and salt to taste. Mix well and coat the fish pieces evenly. Let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. Cooking, rice. Once the rice has soaked, bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Add a pinch of salt and the soaked rice. Cook until the rice is 70% cooked. We want it slightly underdone as it will finish cooking in the biryani pot. Drain the rice and set it aside. Cooking, fish. Now, let's move on to our fish. In a pan, heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Add the marinated fish pieces and cook them until they are lightly browned on both sides. Be gentle to avoid breaking the fish. Once done, remove the fish and set it aside. Cooking, biryani base. In the same pan, add thinly sliced onions. This will add a rich, caramelized flavor to our biryani. Now, add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. Cooking, biryani masala. Time to spice things up. Add 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 2 slit green chilies. Stir well to combine the flavors. Now, let's assemble our biryani. In a large biryani pot, layer half of the partially cooked rice. Top it with half of the cooked fish pieces, followed by half of the biryani masala mixture. Sprinkle fresh coriander and mint leaves over the layers. Cooking, dum cooking. The magic touch to any biryani, dum cooking. Drizzle lemon juice over the layers, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and let it cook on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to mingle, giving you a biryani that's bursting with taste. And there you have it, our homemade Arabian fish biryani is ready. The aroma is irresistible. Let's dig in and see how our efforts have paid off. The fish is perfectly cooked, and the rice is infused with the aromatic spices. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed making this homemade Arabian fish biryani as much as I did. Remember, cooking is an art, and there are no rules. Feel free to experiment with spices and make it your own. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Arabian fish biryani lovers.